So guys, I was trying to play the Friday the 13th and I'm getting database login failure error, and it basically says verify internet connectivity. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix this error onto Xbox and PlayStation 5 or PC. No matter whatever the platform is, I'll be showing you the exact fix for this error. Also, we'll be covering all the latest updates from the game developers itself. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, to check it out, the Friday the 13th server status, I headed over to the down detector, and here you can see as of right now recently we have got like 20 outage reports. But here is the thing guys, 20 outage report doesn't seem like a lot. Most of the users reporting its server connection related error, the login issue. Check this out, this is ridiculously frustrating. Fix your game, come on. It's still down. I wasn't able to play all night before the last, went to get on yesterday and got database login failure, still can't able to play. So annoyed. Down on Switch. The servers are down for a week now. The servers are down, wait until they fix, unfortunately. Now guys, here is the thing. Now many people are reporting definitely the servers are down, and I see there is a pattern. Many people are reporting this is particularly the login related issue. People are frustrated with the Friday the 13th servers because you know what? Game developers are kind of a lazy. Checking out onto the Twitter, many people are reporting database login failure as of May 12th. Database login failure as of today. What's the solution? And honestly, I can go on and on. People are kind of trolling the Friday the 13th developers, Conduct Media support, everybody basically because the servers are getting frequently outage. Many people can't able to log in. Many people can't able to play the game on PS5, Xbox Series X, Series X. Now let me show you the solution what people are suggesting. So without a further ado, let's get right into it. Now here is the thing guys, before you get to the solution part, one thing for sure, don't worry about the error because you are not alone facing this issue. There are tons and tons of people like from the last month this error is going on. One day you can able to play the game, another day database login failure. So it's that kind of a scenario. I saw this post recently on Reddit, database login failure, and here is the thing, this user is using PlayStation 5, he got this error and he wanted to fix this, and clearly this person is blaming the Gun.media servers, and that's totally normal guys because who would love losing their progress. So let's check it out whether they have got any solutions or not. Still happening right now on Xbox, have all day up and wanted to play up, but no, this fellow got this error on Nintendo Switch, tried on Xbox, got there too. Also this fellow originally getting error on PS5. So pretty much this all platform error, this is a all platform error, so you can't blame a single particular platform, rather it's server related issue, that's for sure. Yesterday it was connecting, I tried again, not today, it's not working. Also right here onto the PC, same thing happening. And the most frustrating part of it, levels are being reset. Once again, you are back to level 1, at least onto the Switch, this fellow reports. Now guys, let me get to the solution part. At least for the Xbox, you can probably try this onto PlayStation, PC or another of the consoles on other platforms. So anyway, let me show you what this user has to say. Okay, so this user is saying most of the time when you get this error, this is an error issue related to server, most especially on your account. Do you have another account you can use to play the game? Just check if that works. So you can try another account to play this game. Also you can try doing a reset onto your console and see if it helps out. You can replace the console system cache, and what this will do, this will remove the profiles on your console and make sure that you remember the email and your password of your account so you can get back on your saved progress. And no data or game servers will be lost during this process. Everything is backed up onto the cloud servers, so don't worry about this as per this user. So in order to do the console reset, basically you need to press the Xbox button, open the guide, then select system settings, then select system, and then select console information, select reset console. Make sure you have your email and password beforehand so you don't lose your progress, and then select reset and keep my games and apps. This will help sync your data to your console properly. Now this issue has been going on since they have turned off their dedicated servers due to low usage. This is the primary cause I can see. So basically you need to contact the developer, but essentially they have abandoned at this point. And since they lost the ability to add new servers, add new content to the game, they kind of lost their hope. That's the thing I can see as of right now. Checking out all the latest details on Friday the 13th, the game Twitter official page. Here you can see, guys, as far as the latest tweet goes, their latest tweets covers from like 2022, somewhere around June 30, 2022, December 31st, 2022, and they got the database login failure error, the same exact thing. Apart from that, there is no update regarding is there any maintenance schedule going on or any other case. Now checking out the Gundot support, the game developers for the Friday the 13th, let's check out all the latest details, and same right over here, the latest tweet December 31st, 2022. These tweets are not even recent, not related to the current ongoing outage, but lucky enough they have got this website. And checking out the latest details on Friday the 13th, f13game.com. Well guys, particularly there is no recent update right over here as well, but they have provided jasonkillsbugs.com where you can actually report the outage or whether you're getting this database login failure. So you can put in all the details and then add the description. Probably you can add the screenshot for the database login failure error and report this bug to the game developers. And the game developers, they can reach you and they can get back to you very soon with the bug report, and they can probably help you out regarding your game. Whether this solution have worked, do let me know in the comments down below. If you get any other solution, do let us know the community. Once I get any latest update, I will keep you posted. So make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe. And this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.